am Jean Morales Digasan. I will going to explain how this land is being utilized. First, high-density residentials. This multi-story building is represent high-density residential areas typical of apartment, buildings, or condominiums in cities.
I'm Shinamiki Pachoco. This is commercial and market area. The public market structure indicates the commercial zone dedicated to trade as selling goods. This area likely has high foot traffic and activity.
I'm John Lilianto. So this is low density residential. The similar single story houses represents low density residential areas of information settlements. The clustered nature of these houses suggests of possible informal housing are on the outskirts of main city area.
I am Charles Lorenzo Cabano. The transportation and infrastructure of road and vehicles shows the transportation and infrastructure indicating about the movement of the people, goods that present utility, poles, wires, high light essential and infrastructure like electricity.
I'm Josie Rachel Olinaw. I'm going to explain the green space. The green areas, the trees and grass, represent parks and undeveloped land, providing a contrast to the built-up areas. The placement of the green space suggests a possible buffer zone between residential and commercial areas.
I'm Joshua Abonda Payab. Since my groupmates explained each of these miniature, I'm going to explain our model. The model is a miniature representation of a city likely created for educational purposes. We only use papers, cardboards, and small miniatures to represent each of the figures. This is to illustrate the different land uses within an urban environment. The contrast between the high-rise buildings and the smaller highlights differences in density and possible socio-economic status within the city.
I am Julie Kamot, and the inclusion of this public market, transportation and infrastructure emphasize the importance of these elements in a functioning city. This model simplicity allows for easy understanding of the concept of land use and urban planning.